Hello. Welcome to the very first episode of Tech Bands, where we mix a little bit of tech, a little bit of banter, and a little bit of vibes. My name is Aman Kansa, and my co-host is
Akwesi Kunedu Kyoko. You can call me Coded Car.
Okay. I'm also Yendidi Utama. Today we have a lot of questions that we are going to be asking on our very first episode. So I have questions for you. Do you have questions for me?
Yes, I also have questions for you. So let's see how this one goes.
Okay. So the very first question. Did you ever know that you would become a software engineer one day?
Well, I did not know that I'll become a software engineer one day. But basically, growing up, I was the kind that would take apart radios, and probably my mom would beat me because of it. My dad would beat me because of it. In Chi, you look at so young someone.
Oh yeah, feature.
Okay. But looking back, I have come to know say doing that feature and someone and then I have me as say probably I'm a software
curiosity kills the cat
now. Yes, curiosity kills the cat. Very true.
Okay.
So I did not know, but here we are. So
did you choose tech or it chose you?
Well, for me personally, I was going to actually do economics in school, right? So we went there, we did everything, and they told us that for the general hours that I did in SHS, actually I went to Asanteman. So if there are any Asanteman fans out there, Real Assas, the best senior high school in the whole Ghana. One tear say argue with your phone, and then you be very far. Yeah, so basically, right?
Okay.
As I was saying, I did GHC Real Assas. Going back to university, they told me that I couldn't do economics with my general arts course, right? So what I did was that I decided to choose a new field.
Okay.
And that happens to be IT. Actually, one of my uncles influenced me that if I can't do a course, then probably I should go in for IT. Then I guess, okay, sure, I'll just go in for IT. So that's why we are here.
When you went in for IT, you thought you would become an IT teacher, right?
Yeah, me going in it, yeah, I was thinking it's a problem. I'm going to teach about mouse and keyboard and monitor and stuff like that, right? But when I went in, I saw there's a whole new world of IT out there that I did not even know.
Opportunities, right?
Yes. Great opportunities.
Yeah.
Okay, so since you have asked me about what I wanted to do growing up, let me also ask you, what did you also want to do when you were growing up? Did you also want to become a software engineer?
Hey, no. I've always wanted to be a dietitian or a nutritionist.
I see. But how far with the journey so far, the dietitian one?
Oh, we will pursue it, but maybe not now.
Oh, I see.
But as for now, I'm doing IT.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. That's cool. That's cool.
I wanted to pursue dietetics,
Okay.
in Ken University, but when I decided to buy the forms, they were offering only MSc.
I see.
So masters, not BSc. So I decided to then switch to IT. And me, I didn't know anything about IT. So I went in as a data scientist, and the first level 100, I didn't know what I was doing. So I stopped in level 200. I started with the web development, and it's okay now.
I see. So
Yeah.
I heard someone say that when you were going into IT, you had the core vision or the core idea of pursuing a video career, like being a videographer, editing videos and doing stuff like that. How far with that journey too as well?
Okay, I am a content creator, and I'm on pause now. It's on pause now.
Okay.
I will definitely come back. So when I come back, I will still continue with video editing and content creation. Yeah. It's a passion.
Nice. That's nice. Okay.
So I have another question for you.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think tech in Ghana is like?
Well, the tech in Ghana, landscape in Ghana is me. I think it's really cool.
Okay.
If you go out there and you start to network with people, you get to know that people are doing stuff in this ecosystem, right?
But let me tell you this one. Tech for me, you're from fullest, you are from fullest. If you would meet another tech person, they'll say, "Oh, me new shit. I don't know anything," but they know.
Yeah, you man no. We will help you with NDA. Yeah.
Everybody doesn't know anything. Okay.
I say the Okotro Memezamson. Ubisa unia. Hey, cozy eye. So boy. Or not translate na moze yes actually.
Okay. Oba try your extra sheet.
Easy. Yes, sanity.
Okay. So you feel that tech in Ghana is
yeah, so back to that, right? So I feel that actually tech in Ghana is growing, but compared to countries like Nigeria and compared to countries like South Africa, we are not there yet, but we are going to be. Okay. So it's high time that all of us we come together and support each other and work hard to grow tech in Ghana, because I believe we are going to be great one day.
Okay, if your laptop could talk, what will you tell your laptop every day?
Well,
or what do you think your laptop would tell you every day if it could talk?
This laptop will scream at me that I should stop using it, right? Because when I wake up from 6 a.m. in the morning, I'm on my laptop until like 11 p.m.
Okay.
I think last week, right, Thursday, this laptop, I've never seen its fan spin. But last week Thursday, it was so hot that even though I was inside an air conditioned room, but the fan started spinning, telling me that no, I am actually abusing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
easy, but actually it can't talk to me.
Okay.
So onoka kura na me feeling eduma na ye.
So apart from coding and tech, do you have any passion?
Well, actually passion. I would say yes, right? Because one of my passions is I like music a lot, right?
But I know. Yeah.
Funny thing is I can't dance, right? So if there's anything dance or there, count me. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me ask you this: what are some of your favorite gadgets when it comes to tech?
My favorite gadgets: laptop is one.
I see.
Phone is one.
I see. But if you had to choose one gadget, what would you choose?
I'll choose laptop.
Why?
I feel like laptop gives you more experience than mobile phone.
That's true.
Sometimes when you visit a website, you don't get what you want more or better than using a laptop. Or is it correct? Done.
Yes.
Is it done?
Yes. That's true, though. I remember some time back, every time someone sent you a link or sent you something to do for that person, you'll be using your phone. I'll be telling you, Charlie, phone nowadays, yeah, them wow. Go and use a laptop. Yeah, go and use a laptop. Go use a laptop. What was there? Sometimes, most things, I actually agree with your view. Most things, phone can do them, but Charlie, a laptop, near my laptop, the phone can do.
Okay.
You see, so me too. I personally love laptops. Yeah. Now let me ask you this also: what's your favorite AI tool right now?
At first, I would say that ChatGPT.
Okay, I see.
But Claude is the father of all.
Yeah,
Claude.
Have you actually used Claude Code before?
No.
Oh, I see.
That one is premium,
Yeah, that is premium.
Uniska.
Charlie. Yeah, Pisca.
Yo.
So actually, me too. I also love Claude Code, right? Yeah. So.
But you use the premium.
Yeah, I use premium.
Claude Code. There's so much difference.
And it's good, right? It's good. But one thing is that let me first ask you this before I say this, right? What is your opinion about AI tools?
I don't think AI tools is coming to take our job.
Okay,
A
why?
lot of people say that AI tools is coming to take our job, but it's rather helping us making our life easier. It's an
I see.
automation to, for example, we used to have Web 1, but I want to use the word,
We outgrown Web 1
yeah.
and ushered in Web 2, right?
Yeah. As a proponent, also make a simple word, be na mano.
Oh, I see. Yeah, what was simple right there?
We I don't know. TM for the now.
Outgrown next time. It was
Okay, so we outgrow and ushered into Web 2. Okay, but when we ushered into Web 2, we thought maybe it's bad, but now we are in blockchain. Everything is step by step. So I think AI, we are now using it more. I think people are thinking that it's going to take their job, but as time goes on, we will know that it makes our life easier. You just have to know the basics and then you implement it into your workflow.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. One thing I will say about this is that you see, most people think that AI will take their job, right? But Charlie, the stuff that AI is doing, you know, ain't mean it can't take our job because you will tell AI to do this, right?
Yeah.
AI will do the same thing, but probably in the last end or so, it will just deviate and go and do a whole different thing altogether.
Yeah. AI bet mama watch your code about 10,000.
And yeah, easy.
Who be able to bargain?
The bargain AI code is like you can't even do it, Charlie. Thing.
Who be use your control Z, sir. So no Sasha.
And one thing that I can say is that the people who like actually vibe coding, they are not actually good software engineers because they just tab and accept the AI suggestions that they get, right? But if, for instance, for me personally, right, I know the code I want, right? I want to write good code. So if the AI give me bad code, I have to refactor. But if you were a bad software engineer, there is no way that you are going to know that that code is a bad code, right?
So
we just copy and paste.
Okay, let me chip in this. To be a very good AI, is it a vibe coder or something? You have to have a goal. You have to know what you like.
Exactly.
So when you get the code, you know that this is what I like. And it takes the stress out of writing every single line. If you know everything, you just copy and paste. But if you don't know the goal, you have to refactor everything. Yeah.
That's very, very, very brilliant and true, right?
Okay.
And one thing that I can say about this is that just, I think, say 4 hours ago or so, some guy on Reddit actually has had his vector database deleted by Claude Code. The Claude Code that we are sitting here and praising Claude Code, right?
Yeah.
This guy on Reddit, right? He was co-developing an application with AI. He was he was working with vector databases, right?
Oh, okay.
Now on these vector databases, apparently, the AI actually deleted those vector databases because we can give I think that we can give access to the AI to our terminals to run commands. Even today, I let one AI do a jet reset command for me, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So actually, the guy did not know. He just did shift plus tab on Claude Code. When you do shift plus tab, it will actually auto accept all suggestions from the AI. And that is true vibe coding, right? But I just auto accept them one by one, right? So that I can review them myself. Yeah. But this guy was just automatic vibe coding and
just say the
thing was just deleted. Now he is on Reddit complaining. So saying this now, and you're coming to tell me that AI is going to replace software engineers, actually.
It can never be true.
If you replace software engineers with AI, apps will be crashing. Yes, you are going to lose a lot of money.
Yeah, I saw one notification on YouTube that someone was building a startup and vibe coded and lost $5,500.
Oh yeah. AI, right? But you need to have supervision, right? You need to have control over the AI. Yeah. So
some people even use it without QA testers.
That's one too. Yeah. You are going to burn a lot of cash. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any question for me?
Well, the last question that I want to probably ask you is that what is the funniest thing that has happened to you in the tech world?
The funniest moment.
Yeah, the funniest thing that has happened to you
That has happened to
in
you.
the tech world. Or should I go first?
Yeah, go first.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So when I was going into level 100, right, I heard there was this programming language called JavaScript.
Oh, okay.
And I thought Java and JavaScript, they are the same.
I
right?
don't know what you're
Oh, so going in,
Okay.
I met someone and I said, "Oh, Charlie, me, I do snake game. I do snake game with Java, JavaScript and stuff."
Okay.
The guy was laughing. I was saying, now my we are there. Don't know, he said he actually knew the difference between JavaScript and Java. So he knew, say I was full of shit. I was bluffing. So
Okay.
so that was a good experience. Right now, if a junior comes to me and says, "Oh, I used Java and JavaScript to actually miss mine," oh,
Okay.
what that mean?
Oh, okay. So me too. When I was starting with React, I wanted everything fast. When I learn, it takes a lot of time before I get it. But when I get the concept, that's all. So I decided to use TypeScript without using JavaScript for React.
Oh, I see.
When I did everything, I deleted everything and started the project afresh because I didn't know the difference that TypeScript needed types. It's not baby. The configuration is too much than JavaScript. So I deleted everything and started the code afresh. So that was the funniest moment. I have so many moments that I can share, but this is one of them. Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's cool. Actually, you need to first start with JavaScript before you go to TypeScript, right? Not the other way around there, actually.
Okay.
And what bench to send me also there, you can just start with TypeScript and go, right? And then just I'm here, and then the Ubesi, and then the same Kaya man here, the keke.
Okay. So on this section of Tech Bands, I'm going to be showing him some languages or frameworks. If he can identify them, then he will show me some. So I'm going to show him 3. You show me 3, so that we're going to.
What's it 3?
Okay, so I'm going to search mine.
Oh, dear, me pay me, but I'm oh dear me. Which are crossing me?
Languages of frameworks too.
It's also languages of frameworks and languages of frameworks. There's this programming language that WhatsApp actually uses. That is how they manage concurrency and parallelism. Parallelism with WhatsApp. You see how WhatsApp is actually fast, right? So they use this language, right? So maybe some first and also maybe some first. Okay, Martin. They say that's what you will need to so. Okay, so actually I have already downloaded my images, right? So I'm done. So let's see. These are the images that I have here. Can you identify this one?
Water drop.
No, please. This is called the Elixir programming language. This is actually the programming language used by WhatsApp.
Oh, okay.
So that is why it runs really fast. Okay.
Can anyone use it?
Oh yeah, I think so. Elixir is good for parallelism, and also it's good for when you are performing billions, multiple operations per second, right?
Multiple.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't actually know the details, right? But probably when I dig, I may find it. But yeah, Elixir is one of the languages that you can use to that powers WhatsApp, right? For that I know. Now, can you also define this language, or can you also tell the
It's saying Lua.
So yeah. So it's actually Lua, right?
So it's Lua.
Yes. Lua is also a programming language, right?
Yeah.
But mostly, right, when we write Lua, we embed it inside C++, right?
Okay.
And funny enough, I write a lot of Lua lately. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Because I use Neovim, by the way. If you don't know, I use Neovim, by the way. Do you know Neovim?
I've heard of it.
Okay,
but,
yeah. So it's actually an IDE, right? Yeah. Which you can configure yourself. And they use Lua to configure it, right? So if you want to install extensions, if you want to do any other thing with Neovim, you need to use Lua. So by that, probably for a year or so, I've been learning Lua.
Okay.
Now I am a good professional in Lua, even having 10 years of experience. Yeah.
Last year, you just started last year, 10 years of experience.
But that one has 5 years of experience.
Okay, next one.
So let's see that the last programming language.
Okay, I will see. This one, I'll get it.
Okay, when can you see it? No, please. This is called Gleam.
Hey, do you know why? I saw that
Lucy. So actually, right?
Okay.
This is called Gleam. So Gleam is also a new programming language in town. Actually, Gleam runs on Erlang, right? You see, Alexa also runs on Erlang VM, right? So Gleam is actually probably a sibling of Alexa, right? They both run on Erlang virtual machine, right? Yeah. Okay. So things that you can use Gleam for, you can write Gleam for Rust. It's going to work fine. Okay. Right? Instead of using Rust, you are going to use Gleam. It's going to work fine. Yeah.
Okay. So what? I know you.
Charlie, yeah, but man, about 10 years.
Yeah. Okay. So we
flatter. Okay. Oh, Charlie, Ruby on race.
Okay.
Me say pediye de mbala.
What
do we have?
Go there.
You go lang.
Okay, we're trying to me dem chawa ko peso 3-1.
Go and prepare. Next.
We team and carry team come here then.
Me come here you. You say me Barcelona fan, but the way that they have been doing for like 5 years, you know. But yeah, some about it. I mean, so now what kind? You whole kotokwa. Busy kotokwa.
Hey, they be even can say me bisa. It's a question. I don't know. I don't know anything about what. Okay. So riddle.
Okay.
We have 3 riddles
before we close, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we end this episode. Okay. So the first riddle is: I have keys but no locks, space but no rooms. And you can enter, but there is no door.
Is it about computing?
Yeah, everything that we are talking about is computing.
You have keys but
no locks. Space, but no rooms. And you can enter, but there is no door. So let me do this thing. The first one, you had 3, I had 1. So this one is my turn. So answer the question.
Now, me too. I'll do you some of the riddles, and I want yet.
Oh, okay. You do me some. Hey, you do some to me. Hey, and I sign a can. Bro, for the heading. I always back at you. Bro, for the heading. Baby, Okay. The question.
Question.
Okay. I have keys, but no locks.
You have keys, but no locks. Okay.
Space. But no rooms.
Space, but no rooms.
You can enter. But there is no door.
I'm thinking of an SSD device or a storage device in general.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, that's my final answer.
You're lying. Keyboard. I have keys, but no locks. Space, but no rooms. That's space bar. You can enter, but there is no door. It's keyboard. Yeah.
I didn't even business.
Okay.
Well, say you were
Okay. The second one. Okay. I'm born full, but get weaker with time.
You are born full, but get weaker with time. Okay.
I give power to giants, but I'm tiny myself. When I'm low, everybody panics. It's anything relating to computers. It doesn't mean it's supposed to be hardware or software. Or it's just anything that you can see on the computer.
Batteries.
How did you find?
Ma-
Oh,
oh,
no. There be this one. This one there.
Any
Now how did you?
yeah, I'm just a bit
Okay. The third one. Okay. I keep your photos, but never hold them in my hands. I can be public or private. I synchronize without a sound, and I never sleep. I should read the riddle again. I keep your photos, but never hold them in my hands. I can be public or private. I synchronize without a sound, and I never sleep.
Number 3.
I won't read the question again.
Me me search.
I won't read the question again.
Last one. The last one.
I keep your photos. Don't look on the
machine.
I keep your photos, but never hold them in my hands. I can
You keep the photos, but you never hold them
in my hands.
in your hands. Okay.
I can be public or private.
You can be public or private.
Yes.
Okay.
I synchronize without a sound.
You sync without a sound.
Yeah, and I never sleep.
Google Photos.
You are close, but it's not that one.
Cloud storage.
Yeah, it's cloud.
Oh,
yeah, cloud.
Yeah,
okay.
So, no. I got 2 right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 2 as well.
Let me see. 3 them you are done.
I say 1.
NSMQ.
I can be pushed. Question now, I can be pushed.
Yeah.
Pulled. I can my farm out.
No.
I'm not the image, but I'm not a physical object. If the developers use me to track their work history, what am I? Now it's who?
Gates. Umbrella.
Man can.
Question 1 redeem me, mama. What's an hour? Gates.
So now, yes, I chose that. You see.
Next one.
Charlie.
Next one.
Hey, I do.
I asked the question.
So,
maybe I never cry.
What do you mean answer?
Ask.
I transform readable secrets into unreadable puzzles, but keep a mathematical key to reverse my magic. The stronger I am, the longer my keys become. What am I?
Read the question again.
Last one, right? I transform readable secrets into unreadable puzzles, but keep a mathematical key to reverse my magic. The stronger I am, the longer my keys become. What am I?
Use CPU.
W. What's it?
CPU.
I don't know what last final. Okay, last attempt. Can you?
I already questioning you.
I transform readable secrets into unreadable puzzles, but keep a mathematical key to reverse my magic. The stronger I am, the longer my keys become. What am I?
The stronger I am, the longer my keys become.
Oh yeah. Why backender? Oh. So woman that then you can guess this easy cry actually. Easy.
The question again.
This is the
reverse.
last time.
I reverse.
Or say.
Sorry, is it a method or something?
It's
a hint. A method.
Hint say. I transform readable secrets into unreadable puzzles, but keep a mathematical key to reverse my magic. Into or just secrets now. He transformed them into unreadable puzzles or unreadable keys. I'm giving you a hint too. When that thing collects the keys now, he transformed them into unreadable puzzles or unreadable keys. And I said, the stronger I am, the longer my keys become. Now, when you want to reverse to get that value again, right? To the when you are storing passwords into a DB, you have to do something to the password before you store them into the DB. You can't store just plain text password. I do say something. Encryption. So
What's I'm say? What you ma dia conformity?
two na try yo.
Call last
Okay,
question.
last one 20 and no me can't trip it.
Okay.
I say
Yeah, you have it.
Father, I did here for. Papa. Afa papa, ekoye mama. I am invisible
Okay.
until something goes wrong. I'm invisible till you. I say I'm invisible until something goes wrong. Then I kick in and I start doing my work. Then everyone notices me. I protect data traveling between places. What am I? What am I?
I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
I'm invisible until something goes wrong. Then people start noticing me. Then I start doing my work. Say, if things are not going wrong, you won't even see me. But if things are going wrong, that is when I will kick in and start doing my work. Then people will start noticing me. Then I say, I protect data traveling between places. If you are sending the data from person A to person B, right, I will try and be the mediator. I didn't require me can say
API.
It be API. I don't know final answer.
There will be 2 attempts.
Okay, 2 attempts and last one. Last one.
Next question. You can say read the question again.
I am invisible until something goes wrong and everyone notices me. I protect data traveling between places. What am I?
I protect data traveling between places.
Yes, what am I? Master, won't try. Yenny uncle. Bro, young cock was it? There be won't me chat into the young cock.
What is it?
Only you have you.
So specific young cock. Oh, sorry, you can meet me.
Oh, yeah, more time, me try.
Yeah. Oh, time will call you.
Oh, they have time.
I am invisible.
Yeah, they have been invisible.
Nothing kicks in.
I say, BBC ya no, but BBC ya wubehu no.
BBC na hu.
Mintumu kura na. Wa mama.
Data na ekono, BBC na ehu no.
Ubetimi ya, master wontimi o. Wontimi.
Let me
Make answer. It is a firewall. Na meboa. When you use firewall,
I mean, use AWS.
If you have AWS firewall, right? Like WAF, right?
Na question how the firewall, yeah, WAF.
And then they say WAF, right?
Okay, next time, on the next episode.
When you are using WAF, right? And you are hitting a server that is protected by WAF, if the network request that you are using to hit WAF, say any malicious will WAF allow you or it won't allow you.
But the question will
wait.
Okay, it will not allow you. It will not allow you. I know.
If the network is not malicious,
yeah,
it will allow you or it will not allow you.
If the network is not malicious,
it's not malicious.
It will allow you. Yeah.
Then when something goes wrong, say if the aircon
the firewall malicious will prevent you from entering. Okay.
So if something goes wrong, then you are going to what? You kick in.
Okay.
Oh, Charlie. Oh,
thank you for joining us for this episode of Tech Bands. Next time we shall meet again. Bye.
We shall meet. Goodbye.
Marine intimation is first. Why?
Bye.